Can you just cook this a little bit more?
I'm so sorry.
No, you're good.
Unfortunately, we do have cameras, so we're able to see that you did swap out the steak.
I'm so confused.
We have cameras.
You checked the cameras?
Yes.
No, the steak came out like that.
We could see you swap it out in whatever bag you did. You know, you have that bag, and you could show me there's no steak in there. I mean, you do just have to pay for the steak.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll show you.
Unless you might have thrown it out.
Nah, I didn't throw it out. Oh, it was right here.
That's crazy. Yeah, I am just gonna have you pay for this, okay?
Oh, dude, I didn't know that. Oh, okay. I didn't know the steak was in there.
You didn't know the steak was in there, but you swapped it out yourself. Here you go.
Dang. I just want to apologize. I'm just like really geeked right now.
I don't know what that's supposed to mean.
Do you know left pocket dog shit? Tommy Tough Knuckles? One-Eyed Willie? The Negotiator? Bulldozer Bill?
Dylan, I'm so sorry.
On